welcome to the world of math. I'm Devendra from Indonesia. And guess what? Math isn't just pluses and minuses from your boring textbook. Nope. It's a superpower tool that can help us understand and build the world all around us. Today, we're going on an adventure to explore geometry in our world. Geometry sounds like a big word, right? But it actually just means the study of shapes. And shapes are everywhere. Look around you. Maybe that table is a rectangle. Maybe that ball is a circle. Maybe that house outside your window is made out of tons of shapes. So, why are shapes so important? Well, shapes have different superpowers. Let's start with one of the strongest shapes in the entire universe. Any guesses? I'll give you 5 seconds. It's the triangle. Triangles are super strong and stable. If you push on a triangle, it doesn't easily wobble or change its shape. That's why engineers, the amazing people who made bridges and tall towers, love triangles. They love it so much, they use it in structures so they will be sturdy and safe. Think about a frame of a bicycle or the roof of your house. Triangles are working strong to keep things together. To make this topic a little more interesting, let me give you some examples of how to do simple mathematical calculations using geometric shapes. We often see it in roof trusses, right? To calculate the area of a triangle, you simply use the formula 1/2 times base times height. For example, if a roof truss has a base of 6 meters and a height of 2 meters, then the area of one side is 6 times 2 divided by 2, which equals 6 square meters. Now, what about the other shapes? Let's talk about the 4-sided ones, squares and rectangles. These are fantastic for fitting things together perfectly, like building blocks. Think about the walls of your room or the pages in a book. They stack neatly, right? Squares and rectangles are great for creating order and making things fit without gaps. Imagine if your Lego bricks were all wobbly circles. It will be tricky to build a cool castle. Let me give you an example to calculate area of squares or rectangles, commonly used to measure land or gardens. The formula is easy, length times width. So if a piece of land is 10 meters long and 5 meters wide, the area is 50 square meters. This helps us estimate how many paving blocks or how much synthetic grass we might need. Next up is a shape that loves to roll efficiently. It's the circle. Circles are amazing for anything that needs to move smoothly. Can you imagine a car with square wheels? That would be a bumpy ride. Wheels, gears and machines, even the coins in your pockets, circles make things spin and roll super efficiently. To calculate the area of a circle, we use the formula pi times radius squared. For example, if the radius of a circular pond is 2 meters, the area would be 3.14 times 2 squared, which equals 12.56 square meters. Now for a really cool shape you see in nature and some very strong structures, the hexagon. That shape has 6 sides. Bees are super smart geometers. They built their honeycombs using hexagons. Why? Because hexagons fit together perfectly without any gaps, just like squares. But they use less wax to build the walls and import lots of honey. So it's strong and efficient. You might also see hexagons in things like floor tiles or solar panels. To calculate the area of a regular hexagon is square root of 3 multiply 3 divided by 2 times side squared. If each side is 1 meter long, the area would be about 2.6 square meters per hexagon tile. So you see, math, especially geometry, isn't just about drawing shapes in class. It's about understanding why things are shaped the way they are. It helps us build strong and safe buildings and bridges Thanks, triangles. Design things that fit together perfectly. Way to go, squares and rectangles. Create things that move and roll smoothly. You're awesome, circles. Make efficient and strong patterns. Hexagons, you rock. That's the fun part. You can be a designer, an engineer, an artist, or even an architect, all by understanding the magic of shapes. So the next time you're out and about, or just even playing in your room, look for the shapes. Ask yourself why they're there. You'll start to see math everywhere. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep discovering the incredible power of math and shapes in your daily life. Because math is fun. Bye!